Hey, it's Wolf here. Hey, welcome to this video. So, in this video, we're going to look at Now's Finance. This is a low cap coin that I found out about. Coinbase is invested in this project, so it's very interesting. I think no one literally knows what this project is. No one even knows the name. It's a very low cap coin, so it's very interesting to see this. So I have never this channel where I show these tokens. No one else is doing research like this. I mean, no one. At least on YouTube. Maybe some one of my mentors is super smart. He makes insane research. He finds insane coins. But I have actually found out what his source of alpha is, and I'm telling you, I'm going to crush it in the next bear market, bull market. I'm also crushing the bear market. But anyway, so let's look at this project and see if this is a potential 100 bagger, which means 100x gem. Okay, so now it's finance. So bring real world assets on chain and redefine yield in DeFi. So basically, which means that think about bringing real world assets on DeFi or on chain, and then using those to earn yield. Okay, that's basically what it's all about. So let me show you here. Let me open the app on the one website here, so you can see here some of the staking pools. So Nas Finance is a decentralized lending protocol for real businesses accessing DeFi liquidity, expanding the use case for crypto lending and providing a more efficient source of funding for businesses worldwide. Okay, you can see income predictability. So interest rates in crypto are subject to market volatility. Lock in fixed and sustainable yields are not to better manage your portfolios. Sustainable yield does not provide stable coin-based yields from income generating real world assets. So you can see that if you think about if you have a real asset on, for example, you have a real estate or something like that. Okay, you bring that on chain and then you earn yield from that one. So what's the collateral for a yield, but earning the yield is actually, or backing the yield is actually a real world asset, not just some made up token or system, which is in itself, I think it's huge. Okay, so this is a new project. So asset stability and security now originates real world assets that are stable in value. There is no liquidation risk access with crypto market swings. By the way, some of these projects, think about if big companies, if the creators of these or the founders exit this, or sell this to other bigger institutions, the prices of these ones could absolutely blow up. So these are the projects that I talk about in my portfolio that you don't want to miss out on. In my opinion, building positions for these kind of low cap unknown tokens is, in my opinion, is huge. And if you look at the prices, we are at the bottom of the barrel, 99% down from the all-time high here. So I mean, it could go definitely lower, but I think that right now, if you believe that it's going to become bigger in the next 3 to 5 years, I think that this could be potentially huge. So here are the team. They are using this kind of kawaii kind of squirrel things, but you can see that it's real. You can check out the LinkedIn. I'm not going to go there, but you can see the names and stuff so it's not something it's not something stupid that you can see. There's no names behind the project. There are names behind the projects, and so you can see here investors. So crypto.com capital is here, Spartan is here, Coinbase Ventures is here, Polka Starter and other ones, strategic partners here, some of them. So you can see here it's pretty huge, and audited by Certic and Guansnap, which is huge. So I like it a lot. Of course, it's a new project, and the total value locked in, you can see, was 30 million at its peak. Right now we are at 1 million, so the whole market is just crashing. So I mean let's just actually connect here. I create this. Let's see if I remember my password. I can't remember. I was creating just random MetaMask account here to use on this laptop, but I forgot the password. Okay. let's see if we can actually restart it here. Okay. I don't even know the seed phrase because I didn't send any funds to that. I don't. You know. So anyway, I need to make a new account. So we could watch it more closely. But what you want to do, definitely you want to do your own research here. And like I said, it's a new project. But the total value locked in right now is, like you can see, it's not. It seems that it's one. Let me see here. So you can see here, for example, a couple of pools here. So now Boost pool has 260k total value locked. So the total value locked right now is 350k. So right now you can see the market cap is 1.8 million. So it's kind of like overvalued right now. Like if you think about total value locked wise, but if you think about as a potential, I don't know. It seems pretty good. So if the margin of, like, think about if the bear market is going to just continue, and the volume goes to like what 200,000 volume, the price is going to be like 0.0003. So I think the margin of safety on that buy would be absolutely incredible. So I'm keeping my eyes on this one. I'm not buying my position yet on this one. Okay, so but I'm definitely going to buy a position at some point. I talk about that, by the way, in the if you want to check out the Golden Link newsletter. So if you want, like, think about someone who has actually turned $500 into $300,000, okay, and shows you exactly how to do that. And you will also uncover hidden opportunities within cryptocurrencies, which is basically, well, you would discover that in 2022 and beyond. Now think about that, okay? And market updates from someone who literally research every single day. Imagine that. Now, if you want to like see like my like source and alpha, you can check out the first link in the description. It's limited spots, and I don't want everybody to know the secret strategies because I'm still. It's huge. Like it's such an opportunity because no one understands it. So you can check out the first link in the description. Now you can see here. So the biggest one obviously was US here. Okay. Okay, so I don't actually know what that's all about. I need to make an account so we actually can see what's happening here. I will create another video here, but I just want to bring this to your attention that there are these kinds of unknown projects that are going to potentially solve a massive problem. And if they solve these problems, I mean, it's just the payday is going to be ridiculous. So of course these are risky bets in a sense that it's a low cap. However, if these bets come into fruition, I mean, the money is just ridiculously good. So you have to evaluate the risk reward ratio. But right now you can see the TVL is not the best, but I think that if it just dollar cost averaging these kind of projects during the bear market, this has like when the bull run comes, I mean, these kind of projects, if they have built it up and they have more to show, and people usage, like the user base is everything. So if there's tons of users using it, I mean, that's huge. That's where the big money is, the projects that have actually users. So this could be potentially huge. So I just want to create this quick video here. This is definitely a potential 10x bagger if the 10x to 100x to even 1000x if they just keep developing. So what you want to definitely do is, and I'm going to do, is research the team more in depth and stuff like that. But okay, so you can see that the wizard guy is already following these guys, so he knows that this is a gem. So let's actually follow them on Twitter. Okay, you can see that they are active. They are definitely active on Twitter here. Okay, so which is great. It's great. Let's just see. Okay, so these are actually real people here. Let's look at more here. They're having giveaways here. So lending your stable coins to real world businesses is a modern way to win sustainable yields, as the pure DeFi liquidity might be dried up during bear market, but in real world the demand is still there and increasing. So this actually, so I need to study this more in depth. I quite could understand like how I think this is actually bigger than I even thought first, because I just discovered this product and this project myself, and I just want to create this big video to show you it. So I don't know everything. I definitely don't know everything about this. It's just I want to share it with you. But you know, stable coins are huge. Stable coins are huge, and they're going to be even bigger. I think. You know, a couple of stable coins that I like is definitely DAI. That is minted by on MakerDAO. Also Frax, the algorithmic stablecoin that has held the big. And also if the centralized one, those are two decentralized ones, and the centralized one is the USDC that I like the best. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Tune in for more videos. Check out the Gold newsletter, and see you inside, and peace out.